I'm going to assume you understand what is a stock and what is a stock exchange. If you don't, please check out my previous videos where I explain them in the most simple way possible. So what is the Dow Jones, aka Dow Jones Industrial Average, aka DJIA, or simply the Dow? If there are 10 different stocks you could buy on the stock market, it becomes very easy to track how the stocks are doing. When you have thousands and thousands of stocks, however, it becomes much more difficult to track. That's why stock market indexes were created. What a stock market index attempts to do is to see how a part of the stock market is doing. That way, you don't have to worry about the whole stock market, just a small section of it. That's what the Dow Jones is. It's a stock market index of 30 large companies listed on stock exchanges in the United States. So if there is a Dow Jones points drop, it means that most, if not all, of those companies dropped in price. The Dow Jones is one of the most closely watched stock market index because it does a good job of showing the general health of the stock market. Why is a loss of 500 Dow Jones points something to go crazy about? 500 points is about 5% of the market. Say you have a 401k, which is invested in equities. You've been saving for 30 years and you have $1 million in it. That 5% drop means you've lost about $50,000 in one day. Even if you're invested in safe havens like bond funds, the funds may go down as the interest rates go up. If you're a company, say Ford, you just lost a few $1 billion in market capitalization. You won't be hiring any new people this year if the markets don't reverse. Final TLDW. The Dow Jones is a stock market index. It's a composite of 30 different US-based companies to track how they traded on a given day and over time. It is commonly used as a surrogate for the performance of the entire US economy. I'm the Market Monkey, and if you found this video useful, please hit that like button and consider subscribing and turning the notifications on. This video does not constitute as financial nor trading advice, and to be frank, you'd be crazy to follow the directions of some random gorilla on the internet.